is when we come to the point of preaching pure gospel. Pure. Put 1 Timothy chapter 3 verse number 17 on the screen, and I looked clear from this part. 1 Timothy chapter 3 verse number 17. It doesn't have a okay. 2 Timothy 3 and 17. Let's go in there. All right, for the man of God must be thoroughly furnished unto every good work. What are the good works? It is Mama Lizzie, but see me home Gina, me bought tongues, my bar sorry. But minti me bills. Minti me bills in it school. So I suffer. What the car went to ya. Mama kwai my cassette ya Christo. Because so many people doing so, and I'm saying, "I call heaven tea." A dear be a honor more ye. Ye and your dear, what should any is some. Oh, yeah, I have to. Yet tea is some more. It is said the Africa, ye sum yame. Bow the sham, which then we hear, and your dream fear to Africa. Ubi wo beach. We tell me take you to a manipe to coin. No one bow no me TSK no one did. Dubai right now is thriving on tourism. Dubai in Ghana, why in what tourism potential? Think about what I'm saying. Dubai Abu Dhabi. They don't have giraffes, they don't have elephants, they don't have tigers, they don't have lions. All they have is sea, sand, and sea. Then you will see sand, you will see nibi. What microphone negotiate? What is sumo abenia gupuano? The people, they go to church, they sing hymns, but they defecate openly at the sea. The reason is because asamno yafrem. So the real concentrated taste does not come out. Yeah. We are producing weak wives, weak husbands, weak families, frivolous and loose churches. This is why most of our ministers of state go to church but are thieves.